In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Netflix app on Android. We're keeping this simple, safe, and official, so you get the real app, automatic updates, and a smooth setup every time. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. This is the official app marketplace that keeps your downloads secure and up to date. Once you're in, tap the search bar at the top and type Netflix. You'll see several results, so make sure you select the one labeled Netflix by Netflix, Inc. Checking the developer name is a quick way to confirm you're getting the legitimate app and not an imitation. Next, tap Install. The download will begin right away. Depending on your connection and storage space, this can take a moment. It helps to stay on Wi-Fi and keep an eye on your available storage if things seem slow. When the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app right away. That's it. You've successfully installed the Netflix app using the official method. Netflix is available for most Android phones and tablets, and the process you just followed works the same across both. Using the Play Store means you'll also receive automatic updates, which bring new features, performance improvements, and important security fixes without you needing to do anything extra. Once the app is open, you can explore what it offers. You'll be able to watch a huge range of movies and TV shows, including new releases and trending titles. The app can also recommend content based on what you watch, helping you find something great faster. Another handy feature is downloading select titles for offline viewing. If you travel or have limited data, this can be a lifesaver. Just be mindful of your device's storage and consider using Wi-Fi when downloading larger files. A quick but important caution: avoid downloading Netflix APK files from random websites. Unofficial downloads can be outdated, unsafe, or bundled with malware, and they won't receive reliable updates. Stick to the Google Play Store or the official Netflix website for anything related to the app. This keeps your device protected and ensures you're getting the best possible experience. That's the easy and correct way to download the Netflix app on Android. Open the Play Store, search for Netflix by Netflix Inc., tap Install, and then tap Open. Follow these tips, and you'll be ready to enjoy your favorite shows and movies with confidence.